Oh, see, we got a friend out there.
Mm.
Oh! Cha! And oh shit! You alright, man?
Yeah, you ain't get my shirt.
God, and I look back to say, okay, he right there. Dang, I got it. Yeah, it was barely in your shirt. Good.
No, you get super shirt, but goddamn, that shit scared the fuck out of me.
Boy, rightly so. That's.
That one of the ones I was waiting for pain to set in.
Yeah, man, I'm sorry, boy.
I was just waiting for it to say, like, oh, here come the pain.
Yeah, he got me. He got me.
He got me. He got me. Oh shit, it's gonna hurt.
Damn.
I was just sitting here thinking, like, if that hook get caught in me, how the fuck do you get that shit back out of your skin?
You just gotta cut a chunk of meat out.
That's exactly what I didn't want to hear. That would be exactly what I didn't want to hear. Thank you very much. Ooh-wee. I go to the store and buy a bottle of damn vodka. Numb that motherfucker something.
Hospital right there, but you know, they ain't gonna tell you the same thing.
You gotta cut it. You're gonna have to cut him. Fuck you! That hook lives here now.
Hey.